Come. Look at this. Look at this.
We've got our sign now.
Do you think we look like an actual YouTube channel now?
Oh well, with that definitely. We've got a slack water panel, and the last video we have prepared our logo, so I think we can start there.
Some hard graft gone into that, you guys have no idea. Well, you do, because you've saw the time lapse. Well, anyway, what are we doing today, Lucas?
Well, we've got our desk, or a bench, and it's not been protected with the oil yet.
See, I like the natural oak colour, right? So, what are we doing to it?
Well, you like the natural oak oil, but did you know it will change the colour slightly when you use the hard wax, all this cold clear oil, it will slightly change the shade of it, just the first thing to know about the oak.
Right, how many coats are we putting on this?
Well, to start with, we'll give it a bit of sand.
Right.
We'll remove all the little tiny scratches, imperfections, all the dirt on it, or the dust.
Yeah. And
we'll start with the first one coat. One coat, we'll let it dry for about a good hour, and we'll see what's happened next. Okay, so what you're saying is, this is a protective oil. That's correct.
For example, if my kids are being rogues, which they are, this will protect it from juice, from sweets. Is this what it's for?
This is what we're doing it for. And not only that, this oil is food safe and toy safe, so we could even prepare food on this table with this oil protecting it.
Right, I'm gonna have to get at least 6 tins for my house.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, more coats you're gonna do, better. It'll last longer, you can maintain it longer. So if, for example, if you only did one coat, it will last, let's say, depending on how often you use and prepare food or do things on it, it will say last 1, 2, 3, 4 months. Okay? Depending on how often you prepare. So providing that if you do 2, 3 or 4 coats, it will last definitely longer.
Brilliant. Okay, so yeah, that's a bit of information for me. So later you're going to learn all along this with me, guys, to be honest. Right, should we get this tin open?
I'll get this. You get on with the sanding, I'll get the tin open. Give it a good shake. Carry on, I'm doing the work, you're doing the work.
I'll do the sanding. See, Lucas there took over from the sanding because I'm complete rubbish. So, yeah, feels nice and smooth that, mate.
Yeah, we just make sure it's all nice and smooth, there's no any imperfections. And yeah, we can get on with oiling.
Oiling it, right? Look at that.
Look at that. So you can see now how it changed the colour. That's what's called natural oak. So it's a natural Look at that drips. Do you want to go around and see these drips? We need to remove them as soon as possible.
We just blame it on me, the newbie.
No, it will nicely disappear.
Yeah, so for anyone that doesn't really know, I'm absolutely rubbish at DIY, so the fact that I'm even doing this is hilarious.
You're getting there.
We'll get there over time.
Yeah, definitely. You will be master of disaster, I'm telling you. Okay. Make sure your last moves are all the way across wherever you can. So what you don't want to have are patches when you work there as and there. So you want to smooth it out, if that makes sense.
Okay, yeah. I can't know. Like this is, you know, for interior use only. Can't be using this on your garden fence.
Now this particular one is designed to interior, so you can do flooring, you can do stairs, you can do furniture. Quite important tip would be to look and find your light actually reflecting on the oil. You can see whether it's all nice and smooth and there is no any sort of areas where you've missed it.
Yeah.
So the last thing you do, you usually just give it all the way across.
Right.
Nicely and smooth. Well, like I said, the light reflection will be one which you're looking for to find your imperfections, so you can smooth them out. So as we wait for these to dry, we've got our hard wax clear oil. It's to protect oak surfaces.
Right.
And for, as we said before, it can be used for the furniture, it can be used for doors, skirtings, architraves, and staircase products. It dries into this sort of nice goldenish colour. It's food and toy safe, and it's toxic free, and it's for interior use.
So how long do we have to wait now before we put another coat on?
I would say in the normal average temperature house, which is between 19 to 21, 22 degrees, I would say we'll need to give it about 1 to 2 hours of drying. And what will happen next, it will raise the grain a little bit, it will raise the hair, what we call. So after first coat, it will be quite coarse. And what we'll have to do then, we will get a little bit of buffing and sanding, just to remove a little tiny particles which dried on top of the surface. And then we'll move to second coat.
Oh, that's amazing.
Fantastic.
Job done.
Now do it that way. I thought we were going to give you that.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.